Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever noticed how AI can solve complex math equations with ease, but gets completely lost when trying to navigate a simple social situation? Today, we're looking at a new research paper that aims to fix this by teaching AI how to think socially. The core problem is that AIs are built for step-by-step logical deduction, which works great for tasks with clear answers, like coding. But when you apply that rigid logic to messy human interactions, the AI can get stuck in a loop of overanalyzing, a state the researchers call cognitive rumination. To bridge this gap, the paper introduces a new paradigm called cognitive reasoning, which is modeled on how humans understand the social world. It formulates social thinking as a structured flow of interconnected cognitive units like observation, attribution, motivation, and behavior. This entire framework is called CogFlow. So, how do you teach an AI to think this way? First, the researchers simulated thousands of human-like thought processes for different social scenarios, creating a massive library of how one might think through a problem. Then, they filtered this library, keeping only the highest quality cognitive flows that led to good social responses. With this curated data, they first trained a base AI model. But they didn't stop there. They used reinforcement learning to allow the model to improve itself through trial and error. It was guided by a reward system that optimized not just for a good final answer, but also for a flexible and efficient thought process, preventing that cognitive rumination we saw earlier. And the results were astounding. The AI trained with CogFlow became significantly better at navigating social situations, even outperforming the larger teacher AI that was used to create the initial dataset. But here's the most fascinating part of the entire study. When the researchers ran a cognitive intervention trial with human volunteers, they found that guidance based on the CogFlow reasoning style actually improved the participants' own social decision-making accuracy. A quick look under the hood shows that the AI genuinely learns to use these cognitive units as a scaffold for its reasoning. This structured, yet flexible, approach is the key to its success. So, let's recap the important points. Standard AIs fail at social tasks because they are too logical for our messy, ambiguous world. The CogFlow framework teaches AI to think more like a person by breaking down social reasoning into a structured flow of cognitive units. This method is so effective that it not only improves AI, but can also be used as a tool to augment human social intelligence. What could this mean for the future? We could be on the verge of developing AI that is not just smart, but socially savvy and genuinely helpful. Imagine AI assistants that can provide nuanced advice on navigating complex workplace dynamics or difficult personal relationships. Ultimately, this work suggests that AI could one day help us better understand not just the world, but each other. Thanks for tuning in to Summarize Science.